Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to Ngong Hills. I know we will do it. I know, and I'm so excited. So let us go. Just before you go to Ngong Hills for that beautiful hike, I would like to give you some facts about Ngong Hills. Ngong Hills is located in Kajiado County. And did you know that the hills get their name from an explorer called Joseph Thompson, who camped at the foot on his way to Uganda in the year 1884, if I'm not wrong. It was initially called this name that it's giving me difficulties to pronounce, and Thompson decided to name it Ngong. Ngong Hills has 7 hills, and if you're physically fit, you can use 4 to 6 hours to and fro because there is no exit when you reach the 7th hill. I did not reach the 7th hill, I reached the 6th hill, but I'm still happy because at least I did it. The steepest one was the fourth hill. It gave me a lot of difficulties, but if I did it, who said you cannot do it? The Ngong Hills, they start from Ngong Town and then they end at Konabaridi, located in Kajiado County. Another fun fact I think you should know is that the whole mountain range in an area of over 21,000 square kilometer, with the highest peak on the knuckle-shaped Ngong Hill at 2,460 kilometers above the sea level. Ngong Hills means rhinoceros spring. And if you want to reach in Ngong Hills, maybe you don't have a personal means or a private means to reach there, you can board a matatu route 111 at Agra House in Nairobi CBD, and you alight at Ngong Town, and then you'll find your way to Ngong Hills to the gate. Everything will be in the description box, the activities that you can do in Ngong Hills and the entrance fee and everything is in the description box. I hope you enjoy the views and the beautiful scenarios that I saw in Ngong Hills, and I took shot of them. Thank you so much, and yeah, that's it. Make sure you go to Ngong Hills.
Take care of me. Have no. Take care of me. I'm doing fine on my own, is what I've been saying. Don't need somebody here to hold, is how I've been playing. But is that really how I feel? Or am I lying to myself? I didn't know until you came around.
We are going to Hill 3, and at this point I am doubting my decisions. Yeah, we're on Hill 3. We've done Hill 1, Hill 2, and Hill 3. Now we're in Hill 3. We have 4 more to go. Whew. I'm really wondering Kenya nimejiingiza ndani, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. See you on Hill 4.
Finally letting go. At night my bed, it gets so cold, and it starts to sink in. But I'm sure I'm better off alone, is what I keep thinking. Is that really how I feel? Or am I lying to myself? I was starting to wonder till you came around. I don't wanna fall in love, I tell myself all the time, but you got me so messed up. I'm seeing you and me down the line, right on the edge, and I might just fall in. And if I fall, I can sink or swim. Never gonna know the highs without the lows. So I'm finally letting go. Right on the edge, right on the edge, right on the edge, and I'm right on the edge, right on the edge, right on the edge, I'm right on the edge, and I'm right on the edge. I don't wanna fall in love, I tell myself all the time, but you got me so messed up. I'm seeing you and me down the line. Right on the edge, and I might just fall in. And if I fall, I can sink or swim. Never gonna know the highs without the lows. So I'm finally letting go. Right on the edge, and I might just fall in. And if I fall, I can sink or swim. Never gonna know the highs without the lows. So I'm finally letting go. So
I'm on Hill. I'm going to Hill 6. I've finished Hill 5. And what? That's all I can say. What? But the nature is so amazing. It feels so good. Even if I'm tired, natembea mguu tupu, because my legs could not. I'm among the last people though, because I've not yet given up. A lot of people have given up, but we're not going to do that. See you later on after I've finished Hill 6. Guys, I've just reached home. It's around 10:15, and my body is really aching, my muscles. are very painful. I just need to take a shower, a hot shower. A hot shower, and we call it a day. So yeah, that's all the fun that I had. I hope you guys will enjoy, and everything is in the description box, every requirement, everything, entrance and everything. So see you, bye.